stem stitch is very useful in hand embroidery, particularly for creating smooth outlines. Here is how you stitch it. Bring the needle up at the start and take it down again as if you were making a running stitch. Don't pull the thread all the way through. Hold a loop of thread below the design outline. Bring the needle up halfway along the stitch. This will complete your first stitch. Take the needle down again half a stitch length along from the end of this stitch. Repeat this method of doubling back on your stitches to create a smooth stem stitch. You can adjust your technique to keep the appearance of the stitches consistent, depending on which direction you are stitching. When stitching from left to right, hold the thread loop below the needle and the line of the design. When stitching from right to left, hold the thread above the needle. When stitching downwards, hold the thread to the left of the needle. And when stitching upwards, hold the thread to the right. If the design is curved, keep the stitches small so that the curve stays as smooth as possible. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more stitch tutorials or to follow my embroidery projects. Bye for now.